we're gonna install the new driveline from Bellingham Driveline Services. Oh, dude, it's stuck.
I got it.
That's right, get the pit crew in there.
Yeah, watch your knucks. Some knuckle mustard.
Dude, that's hanging at the ground. Now?
It was old.
Hey, Richard here, humping and shit. Trying to help. Race car's up on the... Shut up, Richard. Race car's up on the lift for the first time in this shop. Got the R200 diff in there. Got to finish the swap up. But we got the driveline in from Bellingham Driveline Services. So we're going to install that and hopefully all is well. We can finish up the rear brakes on this thing and get sideways.
Calm down, dude.
Solid bushings. The whole front subframe's been boxed off. And there's, dude, why are you hanging on my driveline, homie?
No, can you calm
So here's the
down?
R200. Kobe forgot to put it in a bolt.
Hey, don't worry,
Fucking
man.
Kobe.
You only need 3.
And they're probably not even tight. I mean, iron down. The race car, just send it. Dude, everything's just zip tight and fucking super glue.
Hey, Richard, can you hand me a zip tie?
Yeah, dude. Well, no.
Dude, hand me a zip for
Do we need to get new bolts? These aren't all the bolts that need to go in here, but yeah. We need to get new bolts because this thing's R&D right now. It hasn't even been tested. So, but, so look at that. That's an R200. Why are you holding my, what's rubbing? Oh, bro, the driveline rubs.
No, it doesn't.
Right here. It's broken. It ain't gonna work.
Hammer it out.
Uh-oh. More R&D.
Alright, so what are we doing over here?
Alright, so since my race car is a budget build clapped out slut with a bunch of different like Nissan and Subaru parts, we are making the 5x100 brake. Those are the original holes fit for the 5x114 Nissan rears that I have now. And yeah, we're just gonna full send it. So we already bolted it together, drilled for the 5x114s, and we gotta obviously open up the center here because it's bigger. And we're just doing that with the carbine. We're not really giving 2 fucks about it because the race car, it's just gonna go around the track a couple times, you know, and get broken and fixed and broken and fixed. So full send. Not gonna fit, dude. All broke. Holes are a little small. That's why I had to do it. R200 that we swapped in here, and I kind of explained what we did, but we're gonna see if it actually rolls out of the shop without making a shit ton of noise. So, first rolling on the R200. Any fucking noise, dude. And I did a drift in the back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Fuck yeah!
R200's in the car. Oh, look at that. Moving. This turning radius, bro.
Oh yeah.
In the drive shaft or the CV axis, bro. This first little skirt.
First little skirt.